Hi everyone, it's Alex from Barn Cars in Brentwood. Today we've got a Fiat 500, it's a 2018 plate and it's the 1.2 litre S. It's petrol, manual and ULEZ compliant. It's got low mileage of just 25,000 miles. It's got an MOT until October 2026 and it's had a new service. It also comes with 5 previous service histories. Now the car has had 2 former owners and it does come with 2 keys. It's got grey alloy wheels, it's got city steering, aircon, ISOFIX, it's got spare wheel, reversing parking sensors, it's got the half leather interior and a leather multi-function steering wheel, as well as privacy glass. Should you wish to finance this vehicle, we do have a finance calculator on our website. Alternatively, you can call us and we can get you a price over the telephone. This car will also come with 12 months AA breakdown cover, and we do accept part exchanges, so please do inquire. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.